Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Modern kitchen design is about far more than creating a space that simply looks beautiful. It brings together thoughtful layouts, carefully selected materials, intelligent storage, and inviting details that make everyday living more enjoyable. Every design choice, from the warmth of natural textures to the impact of layered lighting and streamlined cabinetry, contributes to a kitchen that feels both functional and effortlessly stylish. The most successful spaces strike a balance between timeless elegance and practical innovation, proving that great design is as much about comfort and usability as it is about aesthetics. These inspiring ideas showcase how carefully considered details can transform any kitchen into a welcoming space that is built for cooking, gathering, and everyday life. Minimalism continues to shape modern kitchen design, but the focus has shifted toward creating spaces that feel warm, welcoming, and full of character. Clean lines and uncluttered layouts remain essential, while natural materials and soft, earthy colors introduce a greater sense of comfort. Light oak or walnut cabinetry, paired with matte finishes and subtle stone surfaces, creates a refined yet relaxed atmosphere that never feels cold or overly stark. Simple hardware, gentle textures, and carefully balanced lighting complete the look, allowing every element to work together in harmony. The result is a kitchen that feels effortlessly elegant, highly functional, and inviting enough to enjoy every day. The kitchen island has evolved into much more than an additional work surface. It often serves as the heart of the space, bringing together cooking, dining, entertaining, and everyday conversation in one beautifully designed feature. A waterfall countertop, contrasting cabinetry, or a richly textured stone finish can transform the island into a striking focal point without overwhelming the room. Built-in seating encourages casual gatherings, while concealed storage keeps essentials within easy reach and maintains a clean, organized appearance. Finished with thoughtfully selected pendant lighting, a statement island combines visual impact with practical functionality, creating a centerpiece that enhances both the style and flow of the entire kitchen. Natural stone continues to define sophisticated kitchen design with its unique textures, organic patterns, and lasting appeal. Whether featured on countertops, backsplashes, waterfall islands, or open shelving accents, materials like marble, quartzite, and granite introduce depth and character that manufactured surfaces often cannot replicate. Every slab tells its own story through distinctive veining and subtle variations, giving each kitchen a one-of-a-kind appearance while adding a sense of natural luxury. Pairing these surfaces with warm wood cabinetry, matte finishes, and soft layered lighting creates a balanced composition that feels both refined and welcoming. Coordinating the stone across multiple elements, such as extending it from the countertop to a full-height backsplash, further enhances visual continuity and elevates the overall design. Beyond its striking appearance, natural stone is valued for its durability and timeless appeal, making it a beautiful investment that combines everyday practicality with lasting elegance. A beautifully designed kitchen is just as much about organization as it is about style. Hidden storage solutions make it easy to keep countertops clear while ensuring everyday essentials remain conveniently within reach. Features such as appliance garages, pull-out pantry systems, deep drawers with customized organizers, and concealed recycling stations help maximize every inch of available space without disrupting the clean aesthetic. Integrated cabinetry allows refrigerators, dishwashers, and other appliances to blend effortlessly into the overall design, creating a smooth and cohesive appearance. By reducing visual clutter and improving accessibility, seamless storage transforms the kitchen into a space that feels more spacious, efficient, and enjoyable to use, proving that thoughtful organization is one of the most valuable elements of modern design. Smart technology is becoming an essential part of modern kitchen design, making everyday tasks more convenient while enhancing efficiency and comfort. Features such as touchless faucets, intelligent ovens, connected refrigerators, and app-controlled lighting simplify daily routines without disrupting the clean, contemporary aesthetic. Many smart appliances can automate cooking functions, monitor energy usage, or send helpful notifications, allowing the kitchen to work more intuitively around everyday life. Under-cabinet lighting with adjustable brightness and voice-controlled systems further improve both functionality and atmosphere, adapting effortlessly to different activities throughout the day. When thoughtfully integrated, smart technology blends seamlessly into the design, creating a kitchen that feels innovative, practical, and ready to support the demands of modern living. Lighting has become one of the most influential elements in modern kitchen design, shaping not only how the space functions but also how it feels. Rather than relying on a single overhead fixture, layered lighting combines multiple sources to create depth, flexibility, and visual warmth. Recessed ceiling lights provide consistent overall illumination, while under-cabinet lighting brightens work surfaces for meal preparation and everyday tasks. Statement pendant lights above the island introduce personality and serve as eye-catching design features, while subtle accent lighting highlights open shelving, display cabinets, or architectural details. Incorporating dimmable controls allows the atmosphere to shift effortlessly from bright and functional during the day to warm and inviting in the evening. When these layers work together, the kitchen becomes more comfortable, visually balanced, and perfectly suited to every moment. One of the most effective ways to create a kitchen with lasting visual appeal is by combining a variety of materials that complement one another. Rather than relying on a single finish throughout the space, modern kitchens achieve greater depth and personality through carefully balanced contrasts. Warm wood cabinetry can be paired with natural stone countertops, while matte finishes, textured surfaces, and subtle metal accents introduce additional layers of interest. Fluted wood panels, ribbed glass cabinet doors, and brushed metal hardware add texture without overwhelming the overall design. The key is maintaining a cohesive color palette so each material enhances the others instead of competing for attention. This thoughtful combination of textures and finishes creates a kitchen that feels sophisticated, custom-designed, and rich in character while remaining timeless and highly functional. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is redefining modern kitchen storage by making full use of every inch of vertical space while creating a sleek, uninterrupted appearance. Extending cabinets to the ceiling not only increases storage capacity but also gives the kitchen a more refined and architectural look. Upper cabinets provide the perfect place for storing seasonal cookware, serving pieces, and less frequently used items, helping keep everyday areas free of clutter. Integrated appliances and concealed pantry walls further enhance the seamless design, allowing the cabinetry to blend into the overall layout with clean, continuous lines. Choosing consistent finishes, minimalist hardware, and well-planned interior organizers ensures that these tall cabinets remain both practical and visually balanced. The result is a kitchen that feels more spacious, organized, and effortlessly elegant, regardless of its size. The backsplash has evolved into far more than a practical surface for protecting kitchen walls. It has become a defining design element that adds personality, texture, and visual impact to the entire space. Large format stone slabs with dramatic veining create a seamless, luxurious appearance, while textured tiles, handcrafted ceramics, and geometric patterns introduce depth and artistic character. Extending the backsplash from the countertop to the ceiling or carrying the same material behind open shelving creates a cohesive, high-end look that draws the eye and enhances the sense of height. Coordinating the backsplash with countertops or complementary cabinetry helps maintain visual harmony while allowing the feature to stand out naturally. When thoughtfully selected, a bold backsplash transforms an ordinary kitchen into a memorable space, proving that even functional details can become beautiful focal points. Earth-inspired colors continue to bring a sense of warmth, balance, and timeless elegance to modern kitchen design. Instead of relying on stark contrasts, these palettes create a calm and inviting atmosphere through soft, nature-inspired shades such as olive green, warm taupe, sandy beige, clay, and muted terracotta. These colors pair beautifully with natural wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and matte finishes, creating a layered look that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. Introducing subtle accents through bar stools, decorative accessories, or open shelving can add depth without overwhelming the overall design. Soft metallic finishes, textured fabrics, and carefully chosen greenery further enhance the connection to nature while adding visual richness. The result is a kitchen that feels comfortable, harmonious, and effortlessly stylish, offering a timeless color palette that remains beautiful through changing design preferences. Open shelving offers an opportunity to introduce personality and warmth while maintaining the clean, contemporary feel of a modern kitchen. Rather than simply providing extra storage, these display areas are carefully styled to showcase everyday essentials alongside decorative pieces that add character to the space. Floating wood shelves, glass shelving, or slim metal frames create an airy appearance, while thoughtfully arranged ceramics, glassware, cookbooks, and small plants bring texture and visual interest. Incorporating subtle accent lighting beneath or above the shelves highlights these displays and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, especially during the evening. Maintaining a balanced arrangement with a mix of functional and decorative items prevents the shelves from feeling cluttered, allowing them to complement the overall design. When curated with intention, open shelving transforms ordinary storage into an elegant design feature that makes the kitchen feel more personal, welcoming, and visually dynamic. The modern kitchen is designed to support far more than meal preparation, serving as a flexible space that adapts to a variety of everyday activities. A well-planned layout makes it easy to cook, dine, work, entertain, and spend quality time together without the space ever feeling crowded or disorganized. Large kitchen islands with integrated seating create natural gathering points, while dedicated prep zones and built-in breakfast areas improve efficiency throughout the day. Smart storage solutions, charging stations, and concealed workspaces allow the kitchen to transition seamlessly between different functions while maintaining a clean, uncluttered appearance. Careful attention to traffic flow ensures that movement between cooking, cleaning, and dining areas remains comfortable and intuitive, even when multiple people are using the space at once. By combining flexibility with thoughtful organization, a multifunctional layout creates a kitchen that is not only beautiful to look at but also perfectly suited to the rhythm of everyday living, making it one of the most valuable design approaches for a home that is both stylish and highly practical. As these inspiring ideas demonstrate, exceptional kitchen design is achieved through the thoughtful combination of beauty, functionality, and lasting comfort. From warm minimalist interiors and statement islands to natural materials, intelligent storage, layered lighting, and versatile layouts, each design element plays an important role in creating a space that is both practical and visually inspiring. The most successful kitchens are those that reflect the way people live, blending timeless style with solutions that make everyday routines easier and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed these modern kitchen design ideas, be sure to subscribe to HD Interiors for more inspiring home design content, decorating ideas, and the latest interior design inspiration. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite kitchen trend, and share it with anyone planning a kitchen makeover or looking for fresh design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.